Hello everyone, my name is Roshan and I am studying in grade 8 in 21K school. I have been studying in robotics for about 1 year and this is my project. My teacher's name is Amarpreet Singh and he has taught me all this, and now I'll be showing my project. This is my robot. It has two DC motors and one OLED, and here on the PC I have written a long code to run this robot. Now I shall run the robot. Here I go. So as you can see, the robot is running, and let me move that. On the OLED there is lights which blink. Let me re-put. As you can see, there's lights where it shows as if there's an eye blinking. As you can see, it closes its eyes, and the two DC motors allow the robot to run. This is my project, and what exactly is this is that it should be a robot which will follow you everywhere, wherever you go, and it will give you even advice. Moving on to the next project. Here is my second project. This is a night lamp. I shall show you the output. Here is my night lamp. It is glowing in red color, as I have changed its color to it, and I have even built out the covering so that it produces enough light, and moving it also will cause different colors, as you can see. Here is the code which I have written. This code shows how to run this lamp. That is all for both of my projects. Thank you.